Loop control statements. Python gives you tools to control loop flow. Yes, friend. Those are break, continue, and pass. Break exits the loop early. Let's take a look at an example. For I in range 5, if I equals 3, break, print I. So what does it mean? It will never print 3. When the condition matches, it will exit the loop. Here it will print 0, 1, 2. Next, the continue statement. Continue skips the current iteration. Let's take a look at another example. For I in range 5, if I equals 2, continue, print I. What do you think? What will be printed here? 0, 1, 3, 4. Next, the pass statement. Pass is just a placeholder. It does nothing. Let's take a look at an example. For I in range 5, if I equals 3, pass, print I. Let's execute it. It will print from 0 to 4 everything. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. It is just a placeholder. It does nothing. Now let's take a look when we can use this. Use break to exit loops early. Use continue to skip items. Use pass while planning your logic. Yes, friend. Alright, that's it. See you in our next lecture, nested conditionals and loops.